Your water heater is arguably the most important appliance in your home. You ignore it for 10 years until one day you wake up to a cold shower and a puddle of rusty water in your basement. At that moment, your tank is dead. The steel wall has rusted through, and you have to spend $1,200 on a new unit and a plumber. But here is the secret the manufacturers don't advertise. Your water heater was designed to kill itself, and you could have stopped it for $40. To understand why tanks fail, you need to understand galvanic corrosion. Water is an electrolyte. When you put metal in water, it naturally wants to rust. The steel tank of your heater is constantly being attacked by the oxygen and minerals in your water supply. It is a chemical battle that the steel will always lose. However, engineers have a trick. They install a sacrificial anode rod inside every single tank. This is a long rod made of aluminum or magnesium screwed into the very top of the heater. Its only job is to be more attractive to rust than steel is. Because of its chemical makeup, the corrosive elements in the water attack the rod instead of the tank walls. It literally sacrifices itself to save the ship. But here is the catch. This rod is designed to be eaten away. Depending on your water quality, it will be completely dissolved in about 5 to 6 years. Once that rod is gone, the rust has no target left except the tank itself. The clock starts ticking, and 3 years later, your heater bursts. If you have lived in your house for more than 5 years and haven't touched the water heater, your rod is likely a skeleton wire right now. Here is the fix. Turn off the power or gas to the heater. Turn off the cold water supply valve. Open a hot water faucet in the house to relieve the pressure. On the top of the tank, you will see a large hexagonal bolt head, often hidden under a plastic cap. Use a breaker bar and a socket to unscrew it. When you pull that long rod out, you will be shocked. It will look like a chewed-up apple core. Go to the hardware store and buy a flexible magnesium anode rod for $40. Wrap the threads in Teflon tape, slide it into the hole, and tighten it down. Turn the water and power back on. By replacing this one part every 5 years, you can make a standard water heater last for 30 years or more. You just reset the self-destruct timer.